PLA flow test starting at 500 millimeters a second, 54 millimeters cubed per second. Finishing up the first 3 layers of my step. 50,000 millimeters per second squared, 5 square corner velocity. I really need structural panel. Okay. 80% fan. 54 millimeters cubed per second, 500 walls. No problems there. Gonna bump up the speed, 125%. I'll crank up fully to 100 PLA. So this is 67 millimeters cubed per second, 625 millimeters per second. %, 750 millimeters a second, 81 millimeters cubed per second. Still no issues. Let me change machine limit to 15. %, 800 millimeters a second, 86 millimeters cubed per second. %, 875 millimeters a second, 94 millimeters cubed per second. %, 1,000 millimeters a second, 108 millimeters cubed per second. %, 1,050 millimeters a second, 113 millimeters cubed per second. %, 1,100 millimeters a second, 119 millimeters cubed per second. 230%. 1150 millimeters a second, 124 millimeters cubed per second. The PLA at 230 degrees Celsius. %. 1200 millimeters a second, 129 millimeters cubed per second. %. That should be 1250 millimeters a second and 135 millimeters cubed per second. Sorry, you can see some liquid. 260%. 1300 millimeters a second, 140 millimeters cubed per second. Starting to have issues with flow. This is with Elegoo Rapid PLA, 230 degrees Celsius. Yeah, I started to give around 1200 millimeters a second. And I stopped it at 1300 millimeters a second. Just to see some rippling starting from under extrusion. Pretty good for PLA.